Hello guys, welcome back. So this one is not a tutorial video, but in today video I'm going to talk about Raga Bhoopali, and then I will play Sargam of Raga Bhoopali. So let's talk about Raga Bhoopali briefly. Third is Kalyan, and ascending goes like sa re ga pa dha sa, and descending sa dha pa ga re sa. So we don't use ma and ni. Ma and ni are not in this rag. So Vadi is Gandhar and Samvadi is Dhaivat, and the jati of this rag is outer jati rag, or we call it pentatonic rag because this rag has only 5 notes, so we call it pentatonic. And the singing time of this rag is first phrase of night, and this one is a Purvangavadi rag, and usually we don't use mean when we play this rag, but we use gamak when we play this rag. Okay, so let's see Sargam of Raga Bhoopali. So I will play it right now. Before that I will play ascending and descending, and then I will play Sargam of Raga. Okay, ascending and descending. Sargam, that's how we play Sargam of Raga Bhoopali. So let's meet in another video. I hope it will be a tutorial video. So until then, keep playing, keep practicing. So thank you for watching.